This morning I got some gars, so I decided to fillet them, and while I was filleting them I usually crumb them. I didn't have breadcrumbs, so I decided to create a little batter using the San Pellegrino sparkling mineral water, lemon juice, salt and flour. I created into a very fine batter, and I patted the gars to dry the excess water off them, so once that they got into the batter that they would just absorb the batter very nicely, and they did. These gars were a little bit little, they were baby ones, so they were a little bit hard to fillet. Usually they've got a lot more meat, but you just work with what you got, don't you? So the batter is really lovely. It's very light because the airs of the bubbles of the San Pellegrino sparkling mineral water creates air into the grains of the flour. So thus when you put it into the frying pan to fry it, it's very light, and you can see the end result of once I've fried them. I fried them in some olive oil, and yeah, that's wonderful creation of family. And every time I cook, at the end of this, you will see my nonno Stefano, my maternal nonno. My mother's father. Every time I cook, I was reminded of my two grandfathers and my father also. They loved fish, they were fishermen, and it's a beautiful photo of him looking out at the bay of the Donata from where he was